Happy New Year, everyone. Just wanted to make a quick video just to say absolutely Happy New Year to you. Hope you all had a great 2021 and hope it wasn't amazing. We still had COVID a little bit here, but it was better than 2020 at least. But hope 2022 is way better for you. Hope you will go out, enjoy your days, accomplish your dreams, and then have a very successful, happy and healthy new year. Again, very quick video just to say Happy New Year. Wanted to wish you all a great one. I know I'm going to be working really hard on the channel. I hope to do a lot of stuff with the channel this year. I've got a lot of big plans, which I hope I will have time to do, but I do have a lot of big plans to go forward with the channel for this year. And I hope you also have big dreams for your lives as well, for what you want to do, what you want to accomplish, whether that's career-wise, personal-wise, whatever it is. Whatever you want to do, I hope you manage to do it. But yeah, that will probably be it. Just a really quick one, just to say Happy New Year. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you had a great last year. Hope you had a great Christmas period. All that good stuff. And hope you enjoy your New Year's celebrations as well. So Happy New Year, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.